Hello friends, welcome to my video. Hope you all were fine. In this video we discuss about Shopify. What is Shopify and how to start selling on Shopify? Shopify is an all-in-one commerce platform that make it easy to launch your dream business and start selling to your customers wherever they are. Is what countries can I use Shopify? Is what countries can I use Shopify? At Shopify we have merchants in 175 countries. You can use Shopify in 20 plus languages and accept Shopify payment in Australia, Austria, Belgium, Canada, Germany, Germany, Hong Kong, SAR, Ireland, Italy, Japan, New Zealand, Singapore, Spain, Sweden, United Kingdom, and the United States. You can't use Shopify payment in US territories except Puerto Rico. Is selling on Shopify is free? Is selling on Shopify is free? You can create an online store for free with Shopify. No coding required. If you want to start selling online, you can try Shopify free for 14 days. You can use Shopify for free for 14 days. After that, plans start at $29 per month. What is Shopify actually? Actually, what is the Shopify? Shopify is a complete commerce platform that lets you start, grow, and manage a business. The subscription based software allows anyone to start and set up an online store and sell their product. Shopify store owners can also sell in physical location using Shopify POS, our point of sale app, and accompanying hardware. Can you sell directly from Shopify? Where can I sell? I sell product online. You can sell products online via your own e-commerce store built with the platform like Shopify on third-party marketplace like Amazon and eBay, on social media and wholesale. The next question is that how do I sell my product on Shopify? From the Shopify app, tap products, tap the product you want to sell. Under variant, tap the variant you want to sell. From the variant details screen, set the compare at price to the product's original price. Set the price of the product to your new sale price, tap, and last tap save. The next question is how much does Shopify take per sale? How much profit does Shopify take per sale?
Ayo.
At Shopify, we have merchants in 175 countries. You can use one Shopify in 20 plus languages and accept Shopify payments in Australia, Austria, Belgium, Canada, Denmark, Germany, Hong Kong, United Kingdom, and USA. You can't use Shopify payments in USA territories except Puerto Rico. Next, we have what is Shopify actually? Do I have buy inventory for Shopify? No, you don't always need an inventory to work on Shopify. With Shopify, the seller don't have worry. The seller don't have worry about the inventory. This is because Shopify offered dropshipping, with which seller can order the necessary product for meeting the customer demand. So keeping the inventory is not essential. Can I sell on Shopify that you can sell products with the free trial once you have chosen a plan. Once you choose a Shopify paid plan which you pay for once your 90 days trial is over, you can begin selling. You can begin selling on the platform. This is incredibly used for those who want to get out there and get it as soon as they can. The next, can dropshipping make you rich? Is dropshipping profitable? Yes, dropshipping can be profitable, merchants. Dropshipping is a low risk business model that allow you to sell products to your customer without incurring a huge running cost like a wholesaler would have. Do I pay for shopping on Shopify? No, Shopify costs for each order they sell on the platform. Does Shopify pay dividends? Does Shopify pay dividends? No, we have never declared or paid any dividends, and we do not anticipate paying any cash dividends in the foreseeable future. We currently intended we currently intended to retain future earnings, if any, to finance operations and expand our business. Is Shopify easy to learn? Creating a Shopify store is really a straightforward and can be designed and launched with a day. It does not require any technical knowledge. It does not require any technical knowledge. There are lots of beautifully designed themes to choose from. How do beginners sell online? The first, they pick the right e-commerce platform. Next, they reduce the friction. Don't send customers away. Invest in your website. Live and breed digitally. They can breed digitally. Find your unique selling points. Make your website secure. Mind your margins. What is the best? What is the best site to sell stuff? Facebook Marketplace, Nextbox, Very Sale, OfferUp, Formerly Let Go, Pushmark, Vinted. Can I use on domain name with Shopify? Yes, you can use domain that matches your brand, can help you build trust in your online store. After you add domain, Shopify, you manage your domain settings for your online store. The domain page is your Shopify admin. Is Shopify is a good place to sell? Overall rating, Shopify is one of the best e-commerce platform on the market today, especially if you run a larger business. It's designed to help people build their own scalable online store with hundreds of built-in features and tons of ads. So friends, these are the Shopify and all information about Shopify from A to Z. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Goodbye and take care.